working on the Skyline again, which I've really been looking forward to. I actually tried to work on it a couple of weeks ago, but when I was looking for the bolts I needed to put everything together, I was missing a couple. Honestly, it's not a whole lot of work. It's not a super big deal, but like, it's a big deal. We ripped this car in half, put a front end on it. Like, it's a big deal. This is gonna be a disaster. Yeah! This is so dumb.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. How did that work? First try, dude. What the heck? That shouldn't have happened. It should have fallen down. I should be screaming. Suspension on the Skyline. I'm sure there are some people who are watching this and they're looking at all this nasty suspension and all this unfinished work in here, and they're like, what are you doing putting that back on the car? Don't worry. I'm putting all this stuff on so that this car can be moved from our house to the shop space, where it will be taken apart again. I'm going to take the front subframe off, and we're going to take the rear subframe off as well once it gets to the shop. And from there, we'll really get stuff finished up, taken care of. Ridiculous. Wow. I have a few more nuts to tighten up on the bottom of the subframe, but after that I'll be able to drop the jack and we'll actually have some hanging suspension bits. Oh, listen to that. I got the tie rods hooked up on both sides of the front suspension, and I put a spacer on in the front so that I can clear my caliper on the other side. I know there's no caliper over here. Don't need brakes to get this thing on the trailer. We're going to be using the wind. Got the coilovers on in the back, so the car is all ready to be set on the ground. Aside from having wheels, of course, but I hope I have enough lug nuts to get all these wheels on. To be totally honest, I don't know. I think 3 lugs per wheel should be enough to get it on the trailer and off the trailer safely. Generally speaking, I'm an all the lugs all the time kind of guy, but this car's not driving, it's just going on a trailer. So, should be okay. One more wheel down. Yep, that's where that goes. One more. Three years? I think it's been 3 years. Yeah, it's been like 2.5 years since this car has been like a rolling thing. Maybe 3. It's been a long time. 2 stands are out. Back end's coming down. Hopefully I can get the jack out from under the car. Yeah. Gonna need 2x4. Woo! Oh man. It's getting real. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's happening. Skyline's coming down. It's happening. It's a car again. It's going on the ground. We need to make sure it doesn't roll off the blocks in the back, because it's back into the shelf if it does. Oh, this is how tall the Skyline should be. Yes. Oh, hell yeah, dude. It's on the ground. Not dead. This is good. Hell yeah.